Hey my friends, recently I was being told that there are some people use my profile, use my information, maybe my picture or my YouTube video to attract people to buy hair from them. So I must make this video to remind all my friends here. So before you order hair, you make sure the phone number you are talking with is the number from me. I will explain to you why the number is very important, why the WhatsApp number or the cell phone number is very important here in China, because all Chinese phone number are binding to our personal ID. For example, I got one phone number and each number is binding to one person's ID. So if we lost the number, we must record the losses of the number. So to prevent people use your number to do something wrong. So that's why I said, if you want to order hair from me, you make sure before you order, you check the phone number. It's my phone number, it's my WhatsApp number, so there will be good everything. Let me explain to you. I give you one example. It's kind of a story recently. There's one person, she mistook me for someone else. She told me as a vendor, and we were talking about the hair order on WhatsApp. You see, I quoted her the prices, and she sent the money, and she thought I was someone else. Is actual back working? I told we don't have actual. You can see my face on profile. It's always me, my profile. Shall I send money back to you? I think you was not meant to buy hair from me. She mistook me for someone else. You see. And she asked, okay, but you are Toby? I was laughing. Do you know who I am? So she said she was been working with someone else. She have gotten me a mistake. I'm not sure if her vendor was no longer on business or not. I sent her my Instagram profile, Beauty Fashion Talk. See, have ordered from you before. So since she was not ordering, she was not meant to order from me. So I sent the money back to her, refund it. I sent the money back to her because she was not meant to order from me. She said, I'm sorry, I don't have any record of our previous conversation and whatever I ordered from you before because I new number. I got a new number. Maybe she contacted me before, but she lost her number. She lost my information. So somebody else contacted her. I will apologize again for the misunderstanding. Thank you for sending me money back. I said yes, I know a lot of people always lost phone and they will lost contact. Some of my customers know where to find it back. Again, thank you for being good person and send my money back. Yes, I said you're welcome, my friend. If the money is not mine, I will not take it. Making a new friend is always good. You see, during our conversation, even she mistook me for someone else. I got her money, and I will not take the money because she was not meant to order from me. But I just want to remind you, when you order hair from somebody, you make sure that you need to check the phone number first, and you need to check the email ID first. So you guys always remember my contacts here. If you lost my phone, you can search me on YouTube. Mejor Milagros Wholesale Version Hair. And my WhatsApp phone number, remember, 0086 159158 97097. 0086 159158 97097. And my email ID, freeguyhairwigs@gmail.com. Another email, 284109934@qq.com. 2 emails, just remember. You know why I make this video to you guys, my friends? Because I was being told that someone else on internet they downloaded my profile. You see, when you check with me on WhatsApp, you can see my profile, and you can see my profile on YouTube channel and Facebook. And somebody else, some other vendors, or scammers, they downloaded my profile and to chat with people. And people thought that was from me, and they didn't even check the phone number, or they didn't even check the email ID, whether it's all from me, like I told you here. So before you order the hair, you need to double check the phone number, the WhatsApp number is from me. It's very important. Otherwise, that's a big mistake. But this lady was lucky. I would never take her money because she was not meant to order from me. And no, I didn't, during the conversation, I didn't even ask her to buy hair from me, because I don't really need to do that. Every day I'm very busy. That's not my money. So I didn't even ask her, hey, since you send money to me, why not buy hair from me? Since you send money to me, why not buy hair from me? I didn't even say that. Actually, I didn't need to say that. So this case, I just want to remind you, when you buy hair from somebody else, you need to double check the information. You can even call me. You can send voice message. You remember my voice every day on YouTube videos, and you can see how I speak the English is different from other Chinese guys. It's totally different. Of course, I speak much better English than anybody else here in China, the Chinese hair vendors. So this is one case. Another case I want to show you is the lady lost my contacts and she know how to find me. She's smart. I show you. Let's see how we were chatting here. Come here, let me show you. You see? Happy New Year, Hyman. Yes, this is Edie. It has been a long time. You need some good quality for my boutique. She's opening a new boutique. I need to speak to you. Eddie, how are you? It's been really long time. How is everything now? I know I opening a boutique and I want your beautiful hair. When? Soon, next week. It's been few years and you still remember me. I need the best hair. I have been ordering from AliExpress and this what? BHGAT. AliExpress, and she ordered from Alibaba. A lot of size. But my clients do not like their hair. So I had to search you. You know why she said I had to search you? Because she lost my contacts. I miss you. She know where to find me. She's smart. I will never forget you. How did you find me since you lost my number? She just typed my information on the information a few years ago on Google website. Remember, I will never forget you. So you can keep all this information. Remember, still the information I just talked to you. Mejor Milagros, Wholesale Virgin Hair on YouTube, Beauty Fashion Talk, Instagram. I will insist your business. I'll help you to grow the business. Why she need to search me? Because the hair she bought from other vendors was not good. Her clients do not like. Because she moved to a very high-end market, California, opening a new boutique. I want nothing but the best. Hey, you see? So I make this video also to remind you once you lost my contact, once you lost my phone number information, you just need to type the information on internet. Then my face will pop up. Then you will find me. Very easy. A lot of customers, they lost my contact, my cell phone number. They search on me on internet. It's much easier to find me there. So do not worry. So, but very important you remember, I just told you, when you order hair from somebody else, make sure that you double check the phone number, whether it's from me or not. It's very important. Otherwise, there are some people, they downloaded my profile picture, my information, and chat with people. Try to attract people to buy hair from. That's the reason why I made this video, to remind you guys. Okay, in next video, Next video, just keep following me. I will share more information with you guys. It's not all the hair business. Sometimes I also share my life with you, and I will teach you how to do this hair business. It's like, a friends talking. So, business, friendship, all we can grow together. Thank you very much. Next video.